here. Token balance. How much am I calling that one? Never. Wallet portfolio here. Token list here. That's not the problem though. Look at your freaking sheet, dude. You got a piece of paper here. Token list is not the problem. It's this. It's get names that's the problem. Because get names no save. So this is the problem. Get names no save is the problem. Is the problem. So that if I just fix update single to just call Indy, call for one, and avoid the rest of this. Okay. And then I'll call the fetch wallet holdings every once in a while. That's it. Okay. I got it. So I'm going to call this at the end of the loop here. And we're going to go put that at the... I got this, dude. I'm the doctor around here, dude. Call me Dr. Moondev from here on out. Don't talk to me if you don't call me Dr. Moondev. Don't talk to me if you're not going to call me Dr. Moondev, dog. I swear, bro. If open positions. Okay. Yeah, give me another one. Give me another 20, dog. Yo, moondev.com has your roadmap and resources. Algo trading roadmap and resources. I'm trying to make this the best free resource in the world, dude. Frequently asked questions, my system, alpha generation techniques, book lists, crypto data, machine learning stuff, dude. Everything is there. It's for free. Moondev.com. So I think every loop I'm already doing that. Perfect. I already do it. And then that will do that. Perfect. I don't need to do that anymore. Fetch wallet. Okay, this is open positions. I do it plenty. Single here. Perfect, perfect. P&L close. That's a killer. P&L close is a killer. I got this too. And open position is a killer. I mean, get position is a killer too. But if as long as we're this isn't in a while loop. It's not. If okay, we're good. USD size. If for index, this isn't a while loop here. Get position here. USD. Get position goes to fetch wallet single. Yeah, okay. This is the problem here. Good, 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 good. Yes, dude. Yes, I love this game. Fetch wallet holding single. That was a hard one. That was a hard one. That was a hard one. Single. Like you. I'm sorry. You got this. I'm sorry, you got. I'm so whack. He's whack, dude. Return DF. Okay, let's go look in the where am I calling single from? So let's make a new one of these so I don't mess it up. I mean, just in case everything breaks here. You got this, Mooney. So fetch wallet holdings. I want to update this function here. Update this function above so we use this API call instead of fetch wallet holdings OG. This is their docs. Let's grab a random one here. Paste it in. Python example. Copy. Okay. Fudge, bro. What just happened? All right, let's see what it does. I was just being lazy. This is why you don't lazy code, bro. Duh. Don't be a lazy coder. This was a while ago. I was being lazy. Built-in laziness. Boy, lazy. Delete all this stuff.